Wonderful. Brilliant. Ugh. Go, go, Rosetta. Hi. Yay. Thanks, guys. Bye, sweetie. Bye, honey. Bye, sister. Okay, let me put these things away and change. Oh, Swarnia. That means changing. I just make up spells. I can't believe I'm part of the cheerleader. The cheerleader team is named Bunny Stamps. I know it's a weird name, but I must go home now today before my mom and dad freak. That's what my sister's going to say. Haha. Hi, Dad. Hello, sweet pea. Come inside. Dinner's ready. Okay. Sorry if it's short, but to be continued. Occasionally. Or that. Alright, now time for the outro. I will be sending the, intro of this. My intro of my new channel will be, I forgot the name. I think it's supposed to be